Vivo Y100 5G launched. All you need to know about specs and features. Vivo has launched the Y100 5G in Indonesia, expanding its Y100 series. The smartphone, featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, is an enhanced variant compared to its Chinese counterpart. The Indonesian model is equipped with a Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset and boasts a 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging support. The device comes in black Onyx and purple Orchid color options, priced at around 20,500 Indian rupees for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, and around 22,000 rupees for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage model. The Vivo Y100 5G boasts a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMO LED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits peak brightness. It's powered by a Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset and 8GB RAM with storage options up to 256GB. The phone runs on Android 14-based FunTouch OS 14. The triple rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel primary shooter, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a flicker sensor. For selfies, it supports an 8-megapixel front camera. The device is fueled by a 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt wired fast charging support. Connectivity options include dual SIM Nano, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, BDS, and dual-band Wi-Fi. Sensors on board include an accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, e-compass, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. As of now, no concrete information is available for the launch of Vivo Y100 5G in India. The Vivo Y100i Power was launched in China in December 2023 at 2,900 Chinese yuan for the sole 12GB RAM and 512GB storage variant. The previous version of the Vivo Y100 was introduced in India in February 2023 at 24,999 rupees for the sole 8GB and 128GB storage variant, featuring a MediaTek Dimensity 900 SoC and a 4500 mAh battery with 44-volt wired charging support.